Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2023 video tutorial. I've called this exercise a simple stand. Why? Because it almost looks like a stand and it's quite easy to do. So let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, first I want to create some variables, so go to Tools, Variables, and I need a stand length. And this could be 200 millimeter. Then the stand diameter, which could be 30 millimeter. And last one should be the wire diameter, and that could be 1 millimeter. Close that window, go back to the Home tab. Now show those planes. I need a sketch on the front plane. That's a line, just a simple line straight up. Add a dimension, 200. And then select it by double-clicking it. And go for a formula, and that should be the stand length. Okay. Now I could add a point here. So where's the point? There you go. Could be on that plane, yes. Then add a dimension from this point here. No, I want to select the point. And from that line to that point here, this should be 15. And that would be, of course, the stand diameter divided by 2. So double click it here, go for the stand diameter divided by 2 and confirm that formula. Close that sketch, finish, and go for another sketch. I want to do first that helical surface, so should be here. Let's draw a line from the origin in that direction. Add another dimension. That could be 30. And that would be, double click the stand diameter. And confirm. Close that sketch. Now you could do that surface with a helix or with a sweep, so I want to go for that sweep. So go to surfacing, go for a swept, confirm this would be the path, and that would be the profile, which gives you that surface. Now go to the options and activate that angle here, and the start angle might be 0 and the end angle might be 3600, which means I have 10 revolutions. And confirm. Finish, cancel this out. Hide that surface body. Okay, I need another sketch because I want to do a revolved surface. Let's go to the sketch, select the front plane, I want it to be like that. Okay, and I want to go for a spline and I want to use that point here, so select it and this might look something like that. Maybe like this. And now align those 2 points here horizontal, yes, and maybe adjust it a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Finish that sketch. Finish, cancel this out, and now I want to try and make a revolve. Sometimes I can't select the profile or the axis. It's kind of strange. Maybe because I do it on the second screen. So I want to have a revolved surface. I want to select this here, confirm, and then select the axis. Oh, now it works. Finish, cancel this out. Now I want to extend that surface a little bit at the top, maybe 5 millimeter. Okay. Same on the other side, just in case. Again 5 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out, and I might want to adjust that sketch a little bit. Because maybe like that. Yeah, that's more like it. And okay, now bring back the other surface body, and I want to make an intersection curve. So go for an intersection, select the first body, then the second one. Finish, cancel this out, and hide those 2 surface bodies, which gives me that curve here. And now I want to go for another sweep, and let's hope it works. So go for another sketch. Now on this plane here again, maybe hide that first and that sketch. Now I need a circle right on this point here. Yeah. Add a dimension, and this should be the wire diameter. And confirm, and give it the 1 millimeter here as well, otherwise it will not work. Okay, finish that sketch, and let's see if we can do a sweep. So I need a solid, that would be here a sweep. Confirm this, select that curve as path, and that circle here as profile. Finish, cancel this out. Great. Hide the intersection curve and that sketch. Yep. Now I want to shape that sweep with 2 offset surfaces. So maybe hide the design body and bring back surface body 2 and make 2 offset surfaces. So go to surfacing, and where is it? Offset. I want to offset this surface here, and the distance should be 0.25 millimeter. So this should be to the inside, that would be okay. Finish, and let's call this inner. Finish, and then select the same surface body again. That would be this one again. Confirm. Again 0.25, but now in this direction. So that would be the outer one. Finish. Cancel this out. So let's hide surface body 5 and maybe the outer one for the moment. Bring back that design body, and now I want to split it, or even better trim it. So there you go. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay, go to the Home tab and go for that split. And the target would be that solid here, and the tool will be that surface. Let's take a look at the options, which was opened on the second screen. Yeah. Okay, and confirm. Finish. Cancel this out. Now I've got two design bodies, and let's see which one is which. So I want to keep the other one and make this, of course, the active body. And now I want to split it again. Now with the other surface, that would be this one. No. Yeah, this one here. So go for another split. Again, that's the body to split. Tool would be now this surface. Let's confirm. Finish. Cancel this. And now I want to hide, yeah, this one. Make this the active one. Great. Now I want to mirror that solid and then make a circular pattern. So where's the mirror? Mirror copy part, yes. That's the body. The plane, I want to use this one here. Might take a while. I hope there is not an error message, because it's after all a Parasolid based program. So it really takes a while. Finish. Cancel this out. Great. And now a circular pattern. Okay, let's go for that pattern here. I want to pattern the body, this body, and I need a sketch on this plane here. And let's go for circle pattern, yes, and I need a circle, maybe like that. In that direction, and let's go just for 4 instances, because it will really take a while to calculate. Okay, so let's finish, and I'm done. So hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, LinkedIn, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you till next one. Bye bye.